So applying linear expansion, we have a steel bridge in Saskatchewan that's 380 meters long. This is actually the length of the bridge just outside of Prince Albert that goes across the Saskatchewan River. It is about 380 meters long, so that's why I picked this one. If the temperature varies from minus 40 to 30, which would not be that uncommon to going from February to July, what is the change in the length of the bridge? So yes, this bridge actually will shrink and expand based on the temperature, which is why in the winter, as you go on the bridge, you hear the ka-gung as your car goes over it, because the bridge has shortened up in the cold weather. So there's a bit of a gap between the solid road and the bridge. In the summer, as that bridge expands, that ka-gunk becomes less because the actual bridge is getting closer to the edge. Now the bridge is not going to fall in on itself. Don't worry about that. It is designed to have that expansion built in. We're just going to figure out now how much that is. So taking a look at what we know that the bridge is 380 meters long. That is L, the original length. The temperature variance is from minus 40 to 30. So the temperature change would not be 10 degrees. To go from minus 40 to 30, we would have 70 degrees Celsius, so that is our delta T. And for sig fig, 70.0. I want to know what is the change in the length, so that is delta L. And we do have one more piece to that formula, and that is A, the coefficient of linear expansion. That is something we're always going to need to look up. So we need to know what substance we're dealing with. We're dealing with a steel bridge. So if we look up the coefficient of expansion for steel, it's actually listed as steel or iron. They both expand at the same rate. That is 12, and remember, times 10 to the minus 6. And the units of that is per degrees Celsius. So the formula, delta L equals AL delta T. Substitute in what we know. A is 12 times 10 to the minus 6. L is 380 meters. Delta T is 70.0 degrees Celsius. Go to the calculator, work that all out. We can do one-stop shopping with that and type it all in one step. We get, rounded to the correct number of sig figs, 0.32 meters. So yes, that bridge outside of PA does expand and contract by almost a foot, actually, every single winter and summer.